sequence our Vault user changes. Mike Manager logs into the Vault and navigates to a search folder that associatively collects all models, documents assigned to him for review and release. One of the files to release is our model created by Dave Designer in the previous episode. The workflow transition to release will validate the properties containing approval date and approver's name. Therefore, Mike uses the table editor to complete this mandatory information. The completed transition initiates automation tasks. The job queue lists both model and drawing file to get updated visualization files and updated release information written to the drawing's title block. Vault for SolidWorks enables the job processor to perform these tasks silently in the background. If a user opens a release drawing or model in the CAD environment, the file is locked and cannot check out for editing before a revision got initiated in Vault.